welcome to my another video of PlanSwift software. Today we're gonna learn how it's helpful for firefighting system. We will see by following some example like takeoff, quantities and few measurements. And before we proceed, if it's your first time dealing with the software and you don't know how to operate, you can simply open my YouTube channel. You will find out few videos are there, detailed videos. It will give you the complete idea about PlanSwift. So simply watch for your own good. So let's begin. I have these drawings that need to be quantified and I have a BOQ sheet that need to be filled. So I will open my PlanSwift. I will firstly add the few drawings in it. Okay, we can choose from here any location D or E drive. This time I'm going to choose from desktop. I have selected all the files. Let software copy. We can see on the screen copying plan file. So same time it's good thing software never touch the original file. We don't need to worry about our master file. It always bring the copy. And second good thing, it can support AutoCAD, PDF, picture, all the format. Fine, you can see here on the left side I have list of the file. Fine, so let's start. Let's just begin with the first floor. I have few things to be measured, but here software never allow us to measure in PDF picture file until we set the scale. So you see, if I click here dimension, software not gonna allow me. I say linear, no, because we need to set the scale. How to set the scale? We simply need to click on a scale button. Software will just ask us a reference, any reference from the drawing. I have seen this, I entered. Very simple. Meter, centimeter, we can choose as we like. Fine. So this is my first point, and then the end point. If I find out point is smaller, I need to pick the exact one. Then there's a short key from the keyboard. You can press alphabet M, magnify. Fine. I clicked on it. Now after showing the first and end point, my reference is on the top, and as per this reference, my complete drawing is ready. I can measure anything from this drawing. Now a suggestion, before you proceed, it's better to check. Just make sure, does the reference you provided, is it really right? So click on a dimension button and just check. Now it should be 4.01. So we can check here. Just zoom. The way you click, same way software will give you the value. We can see here 4.01. This is exactly we were looking for, so it's fine. Okay. So what we did till now, we added the files here. We set the scale. Now third is we need to measure something. So this is a firefighting drawing, as this is our focus today. So in firefighting drawing, our concern is to measure few pipe sizes, few items including sidewall, extended sidewall, fire extinguisher, pendant, these all items. If you have BOQ sheet, software can give you a benefit here. Let me just show you what's that benefit. You see I have a BOQ sheet. Now the benefit is PlanSwift software. It can link with any Excel sheet, so user don't need to type, values will automatically come here. How exactly it's gonna help us, we will see now. So this is my BOQ sheet. Doesn't matter how other people prepared, software can give us the benefit to everybody. Fine. So here I have some item name, few areas and different pipe sizes. Fine. You can see on the right side I can see PlanSwift. This is the powerful way of working. This way called PlanSwift and Excel integration. PlanSwift is able to link with any Excel sheet, so user don't need to type the value. All I have to do is connect. Now this complete sheet is connected. How it gonna help me? Let's see it. So it's just a regular sheet, new or existing one, doesn't matter. Fine. So I have PlanSwift with this drawing. It's already as per scale. Let's just proceed. So here I have different pipe sizes. Let's just start with pipe sizes. Okay, open the Excel sheet. Maybe I need the pipe length here. Right click. PlanSwift is on the top and it's offering a tool. Now I know area or counting not gonna help me. It's about linear. I just need to click. It will directly jump here. What's the name? So it's pipe 25 mm. Maybe it's wet riser, it's dry riser. We can choose accordingly. Okay, I provided the name. I choose the color. Press OK, and I simply need to highlight. Okay, it started from here to there. Software will show us at the same time under the first floor only we have one item which is 8 meter. Okay, it starts from here to there, and you know, as per the civil defense requirement, usually the difference from one pendant to other, it should be 4, and we can see beside the cursor till here it's 2.0, so it means we are going in the right direction. Till here 4.0, so it means we highlighted correctly. So it's totally depend on the user, how the user highlights. Software will give you the accurate number. Here I am, my cursor still stuck there. I need to add more sections. So how to make my cursor free? Double click. Section is free, and I can highlight from one point to another one. Here I finished. I want my cursor free. Double click. Cursor is free, and I can add more. Here my cursor is stuck. Double click. So it's very logical. It's like a paint. Wherever we see the section, we need to highlight, double click, and wherever we see it, fine. Now I will quickly finish this, so later we will see more example. Let me just quickly finish this. Now you can see here I highlighted all the 25 pipe. We can see here easily by colored. If we miss something, easy for us to identify. This is the one I missed, so I can easily highlight. That's how it's gonna look like with all. It takes few minutes to highlight. Once we realize, okay, that's it, we can right click and stop, and the moment we stop, we don't need to worry because our accurate numbers are already on Excel sheet. This is the good thing about the software. It saves the time of typing. So here I don't need to worry about accurate number, it's already there. Fine, all 25 is done. Later I realized here I have 85. Fine, open the Excel sheet. Maybe I need here. By the way, I can copy here to save the time. Copy, I need here. Right click, PlanSwift is on the top, this time linear, again it will jump. I can paste or I can type. Okay, now 80 pipe maybe starts from here. I understand it started from here. Just to give you the quick example, highlight. Okay, once I decided, that's it, right click and stop. Software will show me total is here 31, and it's on Excel sheet. So maybe next time maybe it's 50. I will copy again. Here I need 50. Linear, it will directly jump here. I can give a name, I can choose a color, press OK. So on this floor, just now I added 50, 0 meter, and concept is same. You just need to highlight. Now I will just give you the example. I understand there is 65, but just to give you the example, okay, 50 is maybe here to there. Highlight, highlight. Once you're done, you can easily see it. Maybe 50 is from here to there. At the end point, double click, highlight. Okay, 50 is here, we can highlight. 50 is here to there. Simple concept is highlighting. Now let me just quickly finish, so later we will talk about more example. I finish here all the 50 pipes. Now if we find out 40 is missed here or 32, we can simply stop here. Our values are already on Excel sheet, so we don't need to worry about exact numbers. Software can save a lot of time here. So this time it's 40. Right click in a cell, PlanSwift is on the top, and click here on the linear. Once we click, it will directly open in a software. So this time it's 40. One by one, we just need to create a new item. We have to choose different color and concept, highlighting only. If you miss something, easy to identify because of color. We can see here nothing missed. Maybe this is the one. Okay, it belonged to 25. I will stop. 25, I have done it before. I just need to press the green button. 25, I add it. Fine, right click and stop. I just need to make sure everything should be colored. Everything should be colored. If it's all done, okay, fine. Here I missed that, so press the green button of 25 and add it. That's it. So right click and stop. If you want to see the legend, okay, we can easily see whatever we have done. So we can right click and show legend. Software will show us on this drawing we have done only these 4 items. Green color define this, blue color define that. Easy for us. So in case we print this page, it's easy for us to present. By the way, you can change the color if you wish. Okay, it should be in yellow, it should be in blue. You can change your color as you want. It's all about presentation. Fine, so it was all about pipe. You can highlight as many you want and software will show you the value on an Excel sheet. Fine, now maybe we have few items to count. Open the software, maybe on the second floor, maybe on the same floor. By the way, if you want to focus on the counting and it may be confuse you, you can temporarily turn off from here. You can turn on again. Fine, so I'll measure a few items on a second floor. Okay, I have few items here. Let's say counting the pendant, sidewall. I have two tools by the way for counting. Firstly, I show you the basic, then second I will show you the advanced tool. So basic is okay, pendant I will right click in a cell, PlanSwift is on the top and I'll choose the tool. Okay, counting this time. Once I click, it will directly open in a software. So it's pendant. We can give a name as we want. We can choose a shape. We can choose a color. Press OK. So on the second floor, just now I added this item 0 number. And what's the concept? Click wherever I see the section. So we need to simply click. What's the benefit? Maybe that's the question comes in our mind. What's the benefit? Benefit here is when we click, we don't count. We see the engineers on the other side, they spend a lot of time counting. And even they are afraid because if they know if they made 1 or 2 mistake, and it multiply by typical floor, it's gonna cost them big amount. But here you just need to click. You don't need to worry about counting the numbers, just click. Now I will quickly finish this, then we'll talk further. I finished all, and then if you realize that's it, right click and stop. So first benefit, we don't need to remember the number. Total numbers are here 63. And as I said, second benefit, we don't need to type the value. So it's amazing tool, we just need to click again. Later we have other item, it's a sidewall. Open the Excel sheet where I want, maybe here, right click, PlanSwift is on the top and it's this time it's counting. It will directly open. Okay, sidewall. We can choose different shape just to differentiate. This time I'm gonna go for other color, press OK and highlight only. You see, now I can easily differentiate by shape and by color, and concept it's same, we just need to click. Okay, there are sidewall and extended sidewall as well. I'm just going to consider it all as one. Of course as per the system we have to differentiate, but just to give you the quick example, I will finish all. Okay, once I highlight it all, right click and stop. Software will show me total numbers here 25 and it's already in Excel sheet. So that was I was saying, counting the numbers or length. It's easy here because we just need to click. Okay, now the last item here, it's fire extinguisher. So it's better always to see the name. Okay, maybe it's a dry riser or it's a dry powder or CO2. Pardon me, it's not dry riser, it's a fire extinguisher. So CO2 or dry powder, we can see here whatever the exact item as per the legend. So it's a dry. Open the Excel sheet. Where do you want to link? Maybe in this cell. I will copy the name so we don't need to type. Right click, PlanSwift is on the top and counting again. Software asks me what's the name, I can simply type. It's fire extinguisher. We can choose a shape, we can choose a color here, press OK. So on the second floor, just now I added this item 0 number and concept same. You see now the good thing, different color, different shape, easy for us. And see, while counting I find out I missed the sidewall. No worries, you are not counting. Stop, press the green button of sidewall, it's active and you can add 2 numbers. Stop, press the green button of fire extinguisher, that is active. You are not counting. And even here I forget, easy here, just press the green button. You just need to highlight. Fire extinguisher is here, right click and stop, press the green button, fire extinguisher is active. Now I will quickly finish this. It's here, it's there, easy. And here I find out I missed the pendant as well. Right click and stop, press the green button. So now you see I added few pendant, I added few sidewall. I don't need to remember because my values are already updated here. For numbers and even for pipes, if I modify, that's how it's gonna look alike. If we want legend, right click, show legend. Software will show us on this drawing we have done these items that define this. We can change color if we want blue, we can change color if we want green. Easy for us. Okay, so this is how counting run. It could be joints, elbow, elbow 25, same concept. Okay, just give a name and highlight. Now third is area. It's very rare that firefighting system you need to measure or you have to depend on areas, but still we will see examples sometime only when it comes to the foam system or FM200 or pre-action, that time only. Like here you have generator room, you have here LV room, and you need to know what is the total area because you need to provide FM200. So open the Excel sheet here maybe. So I'll just change the name, LV room. Right click in a cell, it's better to copy to avoid the typing. Right click in a cell, PlanSwift is on the top, and you know what covers the requirement area. It automatically jumps. We can paste the name, we can choose the color, press OK. And concept is highlighting only. Maybe you can go in that manner if you want to have the accurate area. Fine, fine. Here to there. Once you're done, right click and stop. You can see the label on the top, you can see the quantity here, and you can see the quantity here in a Excel sheet. It's your Excel sheet. You can add more formula. Maybe I can hide those, I can add some wastage factor here. Just Excel stuff, the calculation. Okay, so if you have prices, if you have a total price, all just calculation, you can add as many you want. Software will give you the accurate number in your Excel sheet. Okay, so counting, area or length, software will help you to get it all. So it's very simple actually in firefighting system. Wherever you see counting, you can highlight, and same for length. So this is about firefighting system. We highlighted and we see the total result. Now I will show you the advanced tool. This is the plan. Earlier I showed you the counting only. Now the advanced tool, I can hide temporary. Advanced tool is auto count. This tool is amazing. It can quickly search the symbol from scan PDF picture file and can quickly give you the result. Let me show you auto count. My item is maybe this. Pick sample how it look alike. So this is the symbol. You see it's a scan drawing. I just need to show a symbol. Next, where I want software to search for me, maybe in this plan I can specify. Okay, it should search only in this area because there is one legend here as well. So we need to just specify the limited area, maybe half, maybe full, we can as we want. Then next, now software will search for me like a scanner, and once it finish, it will show us the total numbers here on the screen. The maximum one maybe 99% or maybe 60-70%, but the maximum result software gonna show us on the screen. This is the maximum number. I can see here whatever looks similar to me, or select all. If all look similar, I can select all. If something is not similar, I can ignore. But let's just check at the end as well. So here all look similar, I can place. Now, I don't need to remember the number. Total numbers are 65. I can see here on the left side under the first floor. If I zoom out, it's already highlighted as well. So it's amazing tool, auto count. It can quickly search the symbol and give me the result. It's not like I have to depend totally on it like blindly. If maybe symbol is under the line, maybe symbol is not clear, so that time we can press the button. Software showed total 65 number, it counted. If you know something is missing, you can add by yourself. Maybe here, maybe there, you can add by yourself. Software just take you to the maximum level. It's not like you have to depend totally. So auto count, it's amazing feature. It can show you the maximum result within few seconds. I hope you like this tool. It can help you more also. One more example. So this time it's Sidewall. Pick sample. It's here. If I find out there is something additional, I can choose eraser and I can remove. It's not belong to me. Next. Next. Okay, software quickly search and that's the result. So as I said, it totally depends on the symbol. It's never 100%. So here I see something additional. I can just ignore those additional item and just select whatever is similar to me. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. Just select. Once I see, okay, I have selected only mine symbol and it's fine, I can place. So after that, software will search, select, total numbers are 18. If I zoom out, I can see software highlighted all. Okay, so that's how auto count works. Symbol totally depend on the symbol you're dealing with. More clear symbol, more accurate result you're gonna have. This is about auto count tool. Apart from auto count, another amazing tool is here that helps in firefighting. Remember, we finished the takeoff quantity here. Imagine if this is the quantity, we finish everything, and after we finish, maybe after a few minutes, maybe the next day, we receive new drawing with some changes, and you know estimator how much time they spend comparing two plan and see what are the changes. Now software can help you here a lot. Software has the ability, it can compare any two plans and it can show you quickly whatever the changes are. I will show you the tools. Let me add few files from my system. Okay, revision plan. I have two plan. Next, next, finish. So imagine if you have two plan, maybe one is shop drawing, second is civil defense, third is as-built, coordination. You know, you have so many plans. So software has the ability to quickly show you whatever the changes are. Fine, I have revision 0 and 01. I don't know what are the changes until I spend time from A to Z. So you will see how amazing this tool is. This tool is overlay. This is the one. Let's see. So two plans are here, VN0, 1, no comments, no cloud. We don't know what are the changes. Let's see it. I started with VN0. I clicked on overlay tool. Then next, I will choose now VN01. This is the same list. Finish. Now software quickly compared and it showed this is the result. Now that's the result. How we will find out? By colors. By the way, these color that we see on the screen, it's offered by the PlanSwift. Originally there was no color. You can see here, if we turn off, it's gone. It's by the software. So if we see here how we get the desired result by color, so anything, first color is anything we see here in gray and black, that's typical. It means no changes happen in this area. It's pipe, it's upright, some wall, column, whatever we see in gray color, that's same. So we don't need to worry whatever we see in gray color, we just need to see other colors. Gray means same, gray means same. So here we can see generator room is still the same, these parkings are still same. What does this blue color mean in red? So only two colors we need to take care of. First is blue and second is red. Whatever we see by blue color, it means these items, this color, this takeoff, whatever it means, this is deleted. It's not existing anymore. And red is additional. Whatever it means to us. So let's read it. It means generator room is still there, but foam system is removed. Okay, it means this is removed from here, fire hose cabinet. So from the whole plan, these two items are removed. Fine. Now gray mean these all same, red mean additional. So what happened here? Few pipes are extra. Few pipes are extra. Even in lobby we can see few pipes are extra. So we can see here garbage chute, one extra point. It's not only one. Imagine if it's a typical floor, you need to add many pipes and many items. Blue mean deleted, red mean new. So they deleted from here, it's new, so they just shifted. That's what we have to imagine here. We have to maybe add extra pipe here because they shifted the location. All parking same. What happened here? Designer remove the parking, they change into a storeroom. So if it's a firefighting drawing, maybe we need to add extra pipe here, few uprights, one fire extinguisher. We can act accordingly. Sometimes designer don't change in a plan, they change a text, which is not actually a text. It could be a material that's gonna affect your cost. So it means you need to read these as well. But if you're using plans, if you don't need to read, you can quickly see there are no changes here. The changes are only here and there. Before it was 80 pipe, now it's 100. So it's amazing tool. It can quickly show you the changes, so the quantity surveyor and estimator, the engineers, they can act accordingly. So this was the takeoff tool and comparison tool. Now once you finish the takeoff, you need to see the result. So first result is on your BOQ sheet. It's already ready. You don't need to type. Later you open your plan, you find out these items are not anymore. Maybe site engineer visited and he told you this area is not anymore. You just need to select and press delete button from the keyboard. You will see here it will automatically update. Delete it. Now 132, it's already updated. So it's amazing tool. You just need to connect one time, software will take care about all. I press Ctrl Z, it return like any other software. Fine. This is one way of getting the value. Maybe it's not helping you. 66, 172, but on which floor? Ground floor how many pipe? Second floor how many? Because you need to order a material. You need to see as a floor wise. Software has the ability. It can show you floor by floor separately. How? Open the software PlanSwift and there is one button, export by page. Just you need to click on it and say all pages. Software will quickly generate the sheet and it will give you the result. Okay, here we have. So here I can see the quantity, few items on a first floor, second floor, each floor separately. So it's easy for us to deal with the client or to order a material or compare two floors. It's easy for us. So software can show you quickly as a floor wise. Second, if you find out maybe you are not able to connect with the Excel sheet, some people who are using the old version, they cannot connect plans with the Excel sheet. This feature is available only in the latest version. So if you cannot link, or maybe God forbid you lose this Excel sheet, so what? Because it's outside. So no need to worry, because software always keep the values, your quantities inside the plans. If you can see here in estimating tab, this is all I have done. If I want, I can rearrange. Do I need this result on an Excel sheet? Simply I need to press this button, export to Excel. Software will quickly generate the new sheet and we can see everything. Okay, this is all I have done in this project. Take it, pipe this much, 80 pipe here, sidewall or LV room, we can see all. So we just need to highlight. Software can segregate in 4 or 3 ways here basically. One is on our BOQ, second is as a total floor wise, third as a item wise. We just need to highlight, we have the quantities. There are many features, but in this video I just focused only on firefighting system. So I hope you learned and enjoyed this session. If you want to learn more, on my YouTube channel there are more videos. You can watch it and learn for your own good. And if you really enjoyed this session, just subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much.